2018 Paper 2, Question 37, Complex number. You can see the index with high power, that means I power 12, I power 13 to 16. So we'll use the looping of I. So I is I square is -1, I cube actually is -1 times I, so negative I. So for I power 4, actually I square -1 times -1, so it becomes 1. So that means multiply of 4, it is equal to 1. So that means for this one, 12, power 12, that means this one is 1. And then I13, start from I13, I14, I15, and I16 is this one. So we can put equal sign here. So let's do it. 2 times 1 plus 3 times this one, I, and then plus 4 times 14, -1, and then plus next one, 5 times 15 times 15, -I, and then lastly 16 plus 6 times 1, and then divide by 1 minus I. And for number, you can see these three number, then we can combine, it become 4, and then the I term, so 3I minus 5, so -2I over 1 minus I. For this, actually you can use calculator. You can press mode 2, change to complex mode, and then you can press open bracket 4 minus 2I over divide, that means open bracket 1 minus I. Then you can press exe. Then you can see the real part. The real part is 3. If you want to find the imaginary, you can press shift exe. Then you can find the imaginary part. But for example, if you forget to do this, you can use the multiplication of the opposite term. That means like this. So 4 minus 2I, 1 minus I, times the opposite term, so 1 plus I, 1 plus I. So we need to do the rainbow. So for the numerator, 4 plus 4I minus 2I minus 2I square. And for the denominator, actually it involves 2 square. So I, 1 minus I square. So for this one and this one, actually this part, it is -2 times -1. So it is 2. So 4 plus 2, 6. And then for this part, plus 2I. And finally, the denominator. For the denominator, this one, 1 minus -1, so it is 2. So it's 2. So simplify, it becomes 3 plus I. So the real part is 3. That is D.